Hello friend, how is it going? Welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. And you guys who follow this channel are familiar with this 2005 SCION TC, and today is a big day. I finally used the whole gas tank. The yellow light is on, so I can go to the gas station, fill it up back and find out how fuel economical this car is. This vehicle's gas tank, it's 14.5 US gallons. So far I made 288 miles. Now, why am I so concerned about the gas economy? Well, the last Toyota product I owned, it was that 2006 Sequoia, and unfortunately she was only making 14 miles per gallon, so that was pretty bad. After that I had a brief affair with two Subarus. It was 2002 Impreza RS and 2002 Forester, and both of them are four-wheel drive, right? 2.5 liter four-cylinder. They were making only like 22 miles per gallon. So when I saw this SCION on Copart, I was like, okay, I never owned the SCION TC, right? I wonder, it's a 5-speed, so I wonder how good in gas it is. It's very practical. It's a hatchback, so you can really put the large stuff in it. So let's give it a try and see what it will be about. And this is my first full gas tank going through it. I never measured the fuel consumption on this TC, so I'm extremely curious. You might be too. I hope it's better than these Subarus. I drive it basically all the time on the highway because it's between our house and my shop, and that's a 10-mile trip either way, right? So within 2 miles I hop on the highway, boom, I'm driving like 65, which is 3000 RPM with this 5-speed. And that's what I'm a little bit worried about, because the engine is revving so high. I'm not sure if the fuel economy will be good, despite the fact I'm on the highway all the time. To make this measurement as precise as possible, I even came back to the same gas station and the same number 1 which I used last time. And let me show you also another reason why we are concerned about the fuel mileage, right? The fuel efficiency. Look over there. This is Northern California in the week when the gas prices supposed to be at their lowest, right? The price of the crude oil actually went in negative because they have nowhere to store it, so they will pay you to haul it away from them, and we are still on the $3.09. This is pure insanity. I hope you don't mind sharing your gas prices where you live. That will be really interesting for me and for others, I believe, to share what are the prices of fuel in your state this week. Thank you for that. All right, we are very close finding out if this car is fuel efficient. Okay, you hear that? Now let's go and see. And here we got it. The tank should be full and it used 11.9 gallons. Nobody is really around us, so we can do the calculation right here without even driving. So it's a 290.3 miles with 11.9 gallons of the fuel. Let me use the calculator and give you a result. And that gave me, unfortunately, very low number. It's a 24.4 miles per gallon. Considering that I'm driving on the highway most of the time, I will say that's a very, very bad gas mileage, and definitely nobody should be buying this car for a fuel economy, that's for sure. And I'm pretty sure the bad results are due to the gearing of that manual transmission, right? So it's a 5 only, and as I mentioned before, when I'm on the highway, which you will see in just a second, it's really revving super high. So I said 65, it's around 3,000, right? Let's see. I want to show you. So 60. Right, where are we? Do you see that? So somewhere there. 65, it's 3,000. If I go 70, it's like 3,200 RPM, so that's really high. And I will say that's a reason why it's not very fuel economical. Now Toyota changed that on the future generation of SCIONs, right? I believe they came with the 6-speed. This is the 2005, which is first year of this SCION TC. So I think they improved it later. And this manual tranny, right, has very short gearing, and because of that the car is really fast on acceleration, and that will be actually part on a different video on this channel. And that's it for this video, so make absolutely sure you are subscribed and you don't miss any future videos on this channel. Thanks for watching and have a great day, my friend.